Welcome back to Learning with the Pasleys. I am Cup Soup the Mathematician. Maths on this channel, easy to learn. If you are new to this channel, feel free to like, subscribe and share our content. Today we are going to do highest common factor. Please stay tuned. Look at this. What does the abbreviation H.C.F means in mathematics? What does this mean? If you ask me, I will tell you highest common factor. You see that? When we are talking about highest common factor, we are referring to the largest common factor of two or more positive integers. Now that we know that, we are going to solve this problem. Are you ready? What is the highest common factor for 9, 12 and 15? First thing we are going to do here, we are going to find the factors of these three numbers individually. So I am going to start off with the smallest to the largest. Hence, I am going to find the factors of 9 first. Factors of 9 are 1, 3 and 9. Now, let me show you the reason why 1, 3 and 9 are factors of 1 into 9 goes 9 times and no remainder leave. You see that? 3 into 9 goes 3 times and no remainder leave. 9 into 9 goes 1 time and no remainder leave. Therefore, 1, 3 and 9 are factors of 9. 2 is not a factor of 9 because if you divide 9 by 2, you will get a remainder. Hence, 2 is not a factor of 9. These are factors of 9. 1, 3, and 9. Factors of 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. You see that? 5. No, 5 is not a factor of 12. If you divide 5 into 12, you will get a remainder. Hence, 5 is not. 1 into 12 goes 12 times, and so on. So these numbers are factors of 12. 15 are 1, 3, 5, and 15. Reason being, these numbers can be divided by 15 exactly and leave no remainder. Therefore, problem still don't solve because we need to find the highest common factor for these three numbers 9, 12 and 15. We still don't find the highest common factor as yet. What is the highest common factor of the following? So now that we know the factors of these three numbers, we are going to see the common factors among these three numbers. The numbers highlighted in red, they are common to each other. So look, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, ones are in all these numbers. So 1, 1 is common to 9, 12 and 15. 3 is also common to all these three numbers. Therefore, 1 and 3 are common factors for 9, 12 and 15. You realize that all brackets have 1 and 3. Therefore, they are common factors for 9, 12, and 15. Now we need to find the highest common factor. Now that we have 1 and 3, the answer is obvious. 3 is the highest common factor for 9, 12, and 15. 3 is the highest common factor for 9 and 15. Now we get the answer. Congratulations to you and to me. Let us do another example. What is HCF for 4 and 8? We need to find the highest common factor for 4 and 8. What I am going to do here is to find the factors of 4 first. So factors of 4 equal, hence these are factors of 4. Notice 1 into 4 goes 4 times, 2 into 4 goes 2 times, and 4 into 4 goes 1 time. No remainder, leave. So these numbers can be divided into 4 exactly and leave no remainder. Let us find factors of 8. Factors of 8 equal 1 into 8, 8 times, 2 into 8 goes 4 times, 4 into 8 goes 2 times, 8 into 8 goes 1 time. All these numbers divided by 8 and leave no remainder. 1 is common. Yes, 1 is common, so I'm going to highlight 1. 2 is common. 4 is common. 8 is not common because the first bracket don't have 8. So what I am going to do now is to find the highest common factor. I'm going to find the highest common factor for 4 and 8. So 4 would be the highest common factor for 4 and 8 because 4 appear in both brackets. We don't have an 8 in the first bracket, therefore 8 is not common. 4 is there. However, 4 is the highest common factor for 4 and 8. This is how we find the highest common factor for numbers.